Hey guys, Jason Okelson from Woodchester Nissan in Mississauga here with the 2019 Rogue SV. I'm going to show you the unique divide and hide cargo system, which is something special on the Rogue. You can see this is two panels, nice flat level platform. When we fold the seats flat, it's all nice and level. You can do this, put this up here so you put your groceries here so they won't fly around when you're driving. Your spare tires right there. You can create a lower shelf like this if you need more depth. Create an upper shelf, take this panel, put it up here so you can do some stacking with your luggage. As well, you have the tonneau cover that comes back like that to conceal your valuables. So this is all part of the SV package and above. As well, on the SV technology, you have the motion activated lift gate. Just kick your foot underneath and it will open, provided you have the keys in your hand. So great convenience feature. The SV technology and SL also give you the rear sonar system and rear emergency braking to prevent you from accidentally backing into an object or another car. Lots of fantastic features on the 2019 Rogue. So guys, I'm going camping this weekend with 5 of my friends. It's Canada Day long weekend. Look at all the stuff you can put in the back of the Rogue with the divide and hide. We've got some of our camping gear. We're going to pack a lot more in along with 5 guys. Looking forward to a great road trip in the Rogue. Rode on a test drive with Bruce. We're in the 2019 Nissan Rogue SV all-wheel drive with moonroofing technology. We're on the 403 in Mississauga, Ontario. Once we get settled into traffic, we're going to demonstrate ProPilot Assist, which is Nissan's semi-autonomous driving feature. Very innovative technology. It works fantastic. So we've got a corner coming up. So Bruce, what we want to do is first set the adaptive cruise control. So I'm going to press the button here. So you can use this button to set it to follow 3 car lengths, 2 or 1. And then we hit the ProPilot button, which is this blue button here, to engage. And then put your hands on the upper wheel here, and it will engage in just a minute. So hit the set to activate. There we go. Once we get the green light, now it's activated. So just take your hands off the wheel, Bruce. Now, let's speed it up. I'm going to use the up arrows to increase the speed. We're going to set it to 100 because that's the speed limit on this highway. So right now we are cruising at 100. So it just prompted Bruce to put his hands back on the wheel. So it does want some steering wheel input. After 5 seconds of you not holding the steering wheel, it will prompt you because it wants to make sure that you're still alert. So please take your hands off the wheel. We're going to take a turn right now. Basically, this system is using all the sensors in the car. Just put your hand on the wheel. It's using very good release. So right now we're taking a turn. It's actually steering the car for them. You can even just put one hand on the wheel, Bruce. That's all it needs, is a little bit of pressure on the steering wheel. It's using the adaptive cruise control, the forward emergency braking, the blind spot warning, which just went off there, the lane departure warning and intervention, along with the pedestrian detection sensors right here. So again, there we go. That's the lane departure warning.
Where the heck are all the salespeople? Guys, I know this is Friday afternoon, but we got customers in the showroom here. What are you doing?
Oh, but we took the weekend off so we can get the weekend started early. We're going camping after all.
Coming to you live from Woodchester Nissan, we are Rogue Central.